Are you struggling to sell your home right now? It's Peter Chabris with the Chabris Group, and as I film this in 2023, you may be saying I'm having no problem at all, and that's great. But we are going to share this on our video blog, and so if you find this in the future, I'm hoping these 3 points will help you get your home sold. Number one reason people don't sell their home is because it's overpriced. What is value? It's a function of what you get for what you pay for it. And if you're asking too much, buyers are not going to pay for what you're offering. And so pricing is absolutely critical, and it's the first thing that we look at if a home isn't selling. A good rule of thumb, the average buyer looks at 10 homes before they make an offer. If you've had over 10 showings on your property and you haven't received an offer, chances are your home was overpriced and you're going to need to make an adjustment in your pricing strategy. The second reason homes don't sell is the product. If value is a function of product and price, your product may not be worth the price. And that usually is a function of staging, the presentation of your home. If you're not getting a lot of great feedback in your home, consult with your agent on what you can do to maximize presentation, both at the curb, right, when a buyer comes up to the property, and also when the buyer comes inside of your house, right? And staging can be simple things like decluttering, cleaning, possibly doing some painting, maybe moving some things out of the house, to as much as paint, carpet, bringing in furniture, and all the things. Your agent is there to consult with you on what the right blend of presentation is to maximize the buyer's experience when they come to your house. And the third reason that your home may not be selling is if the first two have been corrected. That is to say, it is the right pricing strategy and it is the right presentation of your product, then it's a marketing issue. And that responsibility is going to fall squarely on your real estate agent's shoulders. So you own pricing and you own presentation, your agent owns the marketing. And so the best way to make sure you don't find yourself in this position is to consult with your agent, check your ego at the door. When they're doing the pricing consultation with you, realize that you want more than anybody else in the market and that you want to try and think about this experience and your value through the eyes of a buyer. Follow your agent's advice and try and pick a pricing strategy that complements the market. Your agent should also be consulting with you on how to maximize the presentation of your home before you actually go on the market. And finally, when you're vetting your agent or agents, be sure when they're talking about their marketing program, that is all well and good, but ask to see the track record. How has their marketing program showed up in the market over the last 12 months? How many homes have they sold? What's the average days on market? What percentage of asking price are they getting for their sellers as a sales price? Doing this due diligence on the front end will help you avoid these problems when you're on the market. So that's a scoop. If you guys have questions about your specific property or want to go into more detail about how to get your home sold efficiently for top dollar, reach out. We're always here. Call, text, email, and I'll see you soon.